Hey guys, it's Kaylin and today I'm here with my friend Andrea.
Hi.
Today we're going to do the Pringles challenge and the tasting of the Candy Crush gummies that we bought at the Value Dollar store. So, wait, are you guys showing them the flavors?
Yep. So you guys put on your blindfolds. It's not
got
blindfolds, it's
it.
actually eye mask.
Yeah, she has this kind and I have this one. Yay. Oh my gosh.
Is it too loose?
For me, no.
No,
No,
okay.
mine, no.
Make sure you can't see anything. Can you see anything?
No. You put up a
How
finger.
many fingers am I holding up?
0?
1. Okay, good. You can't see anything.
Okay.
Okay. Ready, guys?
No.
Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna show the camera what the first flavor is.
Oh my god. You jumbled it up, right?
Yes.
Flavor.
This is the first flavor.
Okay, push our plates out so that.
Okay.
This is mine. I put my hand on
One
it.
each. Wait, Okay.
You only get one try to guess.
Well,
What is it?
yeah.
Can we smell it?
You can smell it. You can do whatever you want.
Oh man, I can't.
Is it good?
Wait a minute. Okay.
What does it taste like?
I got it.
Like, describe the flavor. I love how Andrew's
Salty?
licking it.
You are licking it? Okay, I think I know. Andrea, you go first.
It tastes
Wait.
salty. Does it taste sweet? Spicy?
Okay, Andrea, go first. Onion and cheese?
Nope.
Barbecue?
Yes, Kaylan's right.
Yeah.
1 Kaylan, Andrea 0.
Can we open our blind mask?
Yep.
Ugh. That's good.
Okay, so you finish that one first.
So we're going to count the points.
We don't have to. It's
I
just a
want-
friendly competition.
Yeah, but so far I have one correct. And I got 0.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah. No, okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the second one.
Okay, push up your plate. Kaylin and Andrea. Okay, alright. Actually, you don't have to push up your plate. I can put it there.
I can't tell.
I'm gonna do one too.
Oh, it's salty.
Mm-hmm.
It's salty.
That is really salty. Oh, I forgot to show the flavor. Okay, this is the one we're doing.
Oh, I know I did.
Tastes really good though. I like it.
I got it. Wait, no. This is good. I got it.
On the count of 3?
Wait. I'm still chewing. Can I be onion and cheese?
Oh yeah. On the, I count to 3 and then you guys can say it. 1, 2, 3.
Pizza.
Yeah!
Yes.
How come you both knew it?
Yeah, because there's a pizza smell. No, I
that
can't smell it.
cheesy kind of like
No,
pepperoni
you
taste.
can taste the crust.
Yeah, it tastes like pizza crust a bit. Yeah. Yeah?
It's good.
Want to drink some water first?
Yeah.
Okay, ready for the next one.
Okay, next one is cheese or onion. Oh, hot and spicy.
Oh my god.
Close your eyes.
Wait.
Oh, that'll be easy lah.
Jumble it up.
Killer win this.
So far I have
You don't have to.
So
push
this
it.
is the
okay. You
third
can't see
one.
anything, right?
Yeah.
What
Cancel
number
the
are you
number.
holding up?
Huh?
What number are you holding up? I'm guessing you're holding up 2.
Okay,
2.
wait. Why are you holding up 2? 2 what? Oh,
No.
I'm not holding up any. No.
Done?
Wait, no. Okay, I am giving them this flavor, guys.
Oh god.
Okay, I don't eat already.
Okay.
10?
Okay.
One little nibble.
I got it. I know. Where is it? Wait, I thought you were. I nailed it. Yummy. I know this flavor. Oh my gosh. It's running. That's my water. Where's the cat?
Yes,
Wait,
go
what
for
about
it.
taking another bite?
Okay, you don't have to finish it if you don't want it.
I'm done.
Okay, you're done. Okay, 1.
Wait.
You shout it out. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hot and spicy.
Yeah, that was too easy.
That's good.
Ooh.
Of course,
Let's go.
well, that's kind of weird because the last one you already know what it is.
Yeah.
This isn't gonna work. Maybe the challenge shouldn't have been like this.
I told you.
But you wouldn't have known what the flavor is anyway.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll just say it. We'll just.
Okay, the last one will be just a taste test.
So we can open our blindfolds.
Yeah, it's
Now I'm
just
gonna put it down.
cheese and onion. I mean, they already know what it
Ew,
is.
that's disgusting.
This kind of.
Ew. Ew.
Why?
Ew. Ew.
You don't like it?
I can see the onion. Ew.
It's very oniony.
Kidding?
Where's the cheese, man?
Yeah.
I can taste the cheese and not the onion.
I can see the onion, not the cheese. Oh, I can see the onion and cheese. Ah. What about the candy crush thing?
After this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
This is all, right?
so that's the end of this challenge.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Kaylin, and today I'm here with my friend Andrea.
Hello.
And we're going to do a candy tasting of this Candy Crush mixed fruit gummies. And this is a new candy, I think. And this is the back.
It's got that guy from Candy Crush.
Yeah, and at the side it just says fruit gummies. The guy. Oh, and this. I think this is a unicorn. Okay, so we will mention the flavors. So there are blue raspberry,
Green apple,
lemon,
cherry,
orange,
and grape.
and they say natural and artificial flavors. So now we're going to open the box. Okay, let's open together. Wait. 1, 2, 3. I can't. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we got that open.
Ooh, I think we need scissors for this.
Oh.
So this is what the packet of the gummies looks like. And they say tear here. You can't tear it. Oh, here. Oh, I can't do it. You try. Tear here. It says tear here.
Here,
Oh.
here. Let me try.
Yeah. So now we got the scissors and we're going to tear the packet. Whoa, it's strong now.
Show the packet?
So it looks like this inside.
So we're going to try all the different flavors.
Let's try the blue raspberry first.
Okay, but I think it's the blue one, right?
Never mind, let's try this.
Yeah, because it's raspberry.
Look
It
at
looks like
this
a raspberry.
one. Look at this. This is like the candy from...
It does not look like a raspberry. Looks like a flower. Oh well.
Oh, it does look like a flower. Okay. Are you both trying the same flavor?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, what's yours? Okay.
1, 2, 3. It's very chewy, gummy.
It's true.
Is it sour?
I can't find that.
This is great.
It's great.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay, mommy's
'Cause
also
it's
gonna
purple.
try.
How did we not?
Smells very fruity.
Mhm.
Oh my goodness, it's so chewy.
Mhm.
I thought it'd be like,
Very soft.
yeah, I thought it'd be like
Orange.
jelly baby kind of thing.
Okay, next
Or
one.
snakes, you know the snakes?
Next one.
And it's like,
Yeah. Next one.
and it's not sour.
Oh, I know what this is. Next is this green apple.
Is that an apple?
No, the flavor is a green apple. But
Oh,
it looks like the. It looks like one of the. Oh, what the? There's different.
there's different like shapes, but it's I think the same flavor.
No, there's one dark, one light. So
Yeah. Let's try the dark one first.
wait, let me see.
Yeah, try the dark one first. Looks like one of the moves in.
How many flavors again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so that means you're gonna eat 6
1, 2,
pieces of
3,
candy.
go.
This is the what?
I don't know.
Green apple?
Okay, I'm gonna have to try it too.
There's 2 different kinds.
Yeah. This is the dark green one with that right thing, right?
I don't really like it.
Yeah, it's not my favorite type of candy.
Oh.
Oh, you can spit it out. Hey, I don't like that one. That one wasn't nice. Okay, try the red one.
No, we're going to try the other color of this.
What that was? Oh, that was it like.
There's light green, of course.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
They state all the flavors here. Blue raspberry, green apple, lemon, cherry, orange, grape.
I think it's not according to the colors.
Yeah.
I think just now what we had was blue raspberry.
That's disgusting. Okay, we're going to try the green one.
The
This one's
light
not
green.
It's light green, mommy. Mommy. Ah.
Like this.
Right.
Here you go, mommy.
Like this.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. That's not nice at all. It's green apple. Ew. Ew, it's disgusting. Andrea, you can spit it out, you know.
Ah. I don't think I like these. This is like one of those weird challenges, isn't it?
Wow.
Okay, it's actually 99 grams per packet. It's not a lot inside.
What are you doing?
She likes it, then let her eat it. It's a product of USA. We bought it from the Value Dollar store.
Yeah.
Okay.
It smells.
Okay, next one.
Next, we're gonna try the red one.
Oh my gosh.
The red one should definitely be cherry. Do I get one?
Wait. I'm not sure.
Okay.
It's like this.
Okay. Cherry.
Okay, I've just tried the cherry one. As the taste isn't really strong. I was yeah, there's not much like, I don't know. It tastes like
I need water.
cherry one's okay. Okay, so Kaylin doesn't like it. It's not a strong flavor. Kind of tastes, well, you know, cherry. Cherry always tastes like cough medicine, that kind of thing. So okay,
Oh, that's disgusting.
onward to the next flavor.
I think it's lemon. It's lemon.
It's gonna be lemon.
It is nice.
Right?
Okay, that's not too bad.
Last but not least.
You were saying?
I don't know, lemon should be more sour. It's like,
This one we can squish it. We
It's
can
sweet.
squish it into.
yeah, they're all actually really sweet. You know, these are fruit gummies. I expected them to be
Real fruit.
like more sour, more fruity.
It's not disgusting.
Okay, you know, how many more left do we have to try?
It's the last one.
Orange.
Here you go.
It's, whoops,
This
it's
is the
orange.
last one is onion. You can squish it.
Okay, it's orange flavor.
Oh my gosh. I can't do this.
Alright, orange is not too bad.
No, it tastes like my medicine.
Ah,
See, it tastes like my medicine.
yuck. It tastes like,
It tastes like medicine. Chinese
so
medicine.
gross. Do you like it? It's got
She
that,
likes everything.
it's got that weird orange peel taste where it's like a bitter on that. Yeah, it's like a bitter orange. It's not like a. So they've all gone to the sink to spit it out because they all.
Okay, we're gonna go now. Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
So this thing, try at your own risk because I don't like it. I will
Cool.
never be buying it
Okay,
again.
when Andrea comes back, we're gonna vote. It's cherry. No way. Cherry.
Cherry. No.
Thumbs down.
All of us.
Yep.
Okay, next the orange one. Who likes orange? Brandon,
Definitely
orange.
thumbs down. Oh, you like it? I thought you went to spit it out.
Abuela.
No. What about you?
I don't like it either.
Okay, great.
Ding.
Which one is the grape? I don't think I had the grape.
The purple one.
The first one.
flower.
Oh, that was nice. That was okay.
Ding.
no. Okay, Oni.
Kaylin, you don't even like candy. That's why you're giving it all like thumbs down.
I ate the purple one.
Okay, most of it tastes pretty bad though.
What about the green apple, the dark one? Wait, what's it? Green apple.
You think it's a
Okay,
thumbs
Kaylin.
down?
This is green apple.
No, you see dark color.
Dark color.
This is green apple. The other one
Yes,
is
blue raspberry.
yeah.
Okay, who likes blue raspberry?
Yeah,
This.
that's raspberry. I'm pretty sure.
This one.
Was there a lime? Is there any lime?
No.
Actually, you know what? The orange one tastes like lime.
No, it tastes
Bitter
like mandarin
lime.
oranges. Okay, you like it? No, I don't like. I don't like it.
What?
I don't like it. What
Yeah,
about
sure.
green apple? I set it up, so no.
Yeah.
I still got that taste in my mouth.
What about lemon? Ding! Oh my gosh. No way. Okay, I don't think there's any more. That was disgusting, so
Sorry for those who made this.
Yeah, you know what? Some people might like it, but we didn't like it too much.
We didn't really like the taste.
So
yeah, so if you buy this candy, you
No
must always
thanks.
get ready to have a glass of water
In
with you.
case.
yeah,
You have to have something
it's
to
not
spit
the
it
best
out.
candy out there. And you know what? Maybe some of you guys might get this for Halloween. So
Oh my gosh, my hand smells.
if you've ever tried it, leave us a comment below and tell us what you think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching and I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.